po jako akawuwo.
Emisana ga leero omubaka Anthony Akol ng'akiikirira abantu b'essaza ly'e Kiraka mu disitulikiti y'e Amuru avudde mu mbeera n'akuba mubaka munne Samuel Odongoto ng'ono yakiikirira abantu b'essaza ly'e Alu mu disitulikiti y'e Pada Ebikonde ekimuleetedde okugenda mu ddwaliro okufuna obujjanjabi obw'amangu. Entabwe evudde ku mubaka Otto okulumiriza Akol nga bwe yeekobaanye ne ssentebe wa disitulikiti y'e Amuru okuguza musigansimbi ettaka okutudde abantu awatali kubategeezaako wabula ye Akol agamba nti bano bali ku kkobaane erya kumujja mu Paliament.
Went up to a formal meeting with the president in State House. The people down there are being pushed out of their land forcefully. They are saying Madivani is willing to pay 700,000 shillings per acre. Really? These are people who are barefooted. These are people who are naked. These are people who have nowhere to go. They are being intimidated that if you don't sell your land, the sugarcane plantation will surround you and you will be inside.
Him and Gilbert have been moving to my constituency several times to the campaign then.
Omubaka Odongoto tusobodde okwogerako naye n'atubuulira ekimukubizza oluvannyuma lw'okusiibulwa mu ddwaliro ly'e Nakasero gy'addukidde okufuna obujjanjabi.
You can see there is a swell in my right eye and the eyelid. Honorable Akol Anthony. There's a build-up to that. They are one of the MPs who have gone against actually parliamentary group position that we lease land. We want to lease land to Madivani. We don't want to sell land to Madivani. So strangely, I just saw a punch raining from the sky. I did not have enough time to dodge it. I only used my phone, and part of the punch has got my right eye.
Wabula eky'omukisa omulungi omubaka Otto asiibuddwa mu ddwaliro n'aweebwa n'eddagala ly'alina okumira okumalira ddala ennaku 3.
Yeah, the doctors immediately administered painkillers. I think the pain is suppressed, and they gave me some medication which I'll be taking for 3 days.
Ono era asabye Paalamenti okuvaayo erage abantu ebifaananyi ebikwatiddwa kamera zaayo ezimanyiddwa nga CCTV kamera okusobola okuggyayo amazima ku ki ekibaddewo wakati w'ababiri bano.
CCTV footages are available in Parliament. At this point, since this is a very sensitive public issue, the Parliament, the Sergeant at Arms and Parliamentary Police should make those footages available to the public. But even if he claims he did not punch me, in law, even mere word of mouth is an assault, not necessarily a punch.
Wabula bwe twogeddeko n'omubaka Akol ngono yalumirizibwa okukuba Otto agamba nti mwetegefu okwaŋŋanga buli mbeera kubanga kyaliko okulwanirira abantu be abamulonda.
No, I have to defend myself. I am not on the wrong. I am not.
Akol era alumirizza Odongoto nti waliwo abamukozesa okulwanyisa ab'oludda oluvuganya gavumenti kubanga byonna byazze akola byeraga lwatu.
He is on a mission to fight those who are in opposition. You've seen how he has been posting things negatively on Bobi Wine, on everybody. And that's what he's doing. I've been reliably informed that he has been given resources, he has been given names of people to fight. And that's what he's doing. And you know him, that's what he has been doing all this time.
Wabula Odongoto agamba nti Akol ekigenda okumutuuka kajja kukiraba kubanga n'emizimu gy'abajjajjaabwe eminyiivu gyali olw'okutunda ettaka ly'amanyi nti talirinaako bwannannyini.
And anyone who does not follow the path of our ancestors will die a very painful death. Honorable Akol has now had 2 accidents in the same spot. At the same spot on Gulu Kampala Highway. These are all bad signs.
Ate ye ssentebe wa kabondo k'ababaka bava mu Acholi Philip Pore Okin Ojara agamba nti bavumirira ne sekuvumirira yonna ekikolwa ekyeyolesa olunaku olwaleero mu babaka bano ababiri nti era bagenda kukola ekisoboka kyonna okubatabaganya.
No, it's unfortunate. I definitely we condemn it as a Julie parliamentary group. It's uncalled for. We can't have physical fights in public in any kind of area, which is very unfortunate. We really condemn it. It should have not occurred.
Shafiru Mwesije yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa ABS television.
Oh, it's good, but another day.